Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start now, power down the system and unplug the main cable, then switch the PSU off. Once done, remove the side panel and ground yourself against the chassis to avoid static damage. Next, identify the 6/8-pin PCIe power leads feeding the 1080 tie, press the retaining clips and pull the connectors straight out. Do this slowly to avoid snapping the clip. Make sure to leave cables clear, so they won't snag when you later extract the card. With power removed and connectors out, unscrew the bracket screws holding the card to the case and set them aside. Once unscrewed, grip the card near the I/O bracket and the PCB. Locate the small plastic latch at the end of the PCIe slot. Press it down or to the side depending on your board. While holding the card level, gently rock it back and forth and pull straight out. Do not lever against the slot. Keep the card supported to avoid bending the PCB. After the card clears the slot, set it on anti-static foam or bag and avoid touching gold contacts. Make sure the PCIe clip is free of debris, reinstall the case bracket if needed, and tidy cables. Reattach the side panel, plug in power, and boot to confirm everything else works. If the system won't post, make sure power connectors and motherboard 24-pin are seated. Try the card in another slot or a different GPU to isolate, and verify PSU output. Those steps you.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.